So the last few videos, we've just been adding the different shortcodes to the pages for the booking forms. So we first started off with this booking appointment form where the customers will essentially just choose the services and begin booking. Then we also did the one for the packages. And then we also did the customer and the client portals. However, in this tutorial, I actually want to show you how you can add a single service to a page. So let's say, for example, right here on this book appointment page, we see that right here we have waxing and facial services. We see we have a glowy U facial, but that's about it. Once we go through this process, we're simply just about to book an appointment, and that's pretty much it. Let's say you wanted the actual page that gave more information. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So let's take my client right here, for example. If I go over here and I go to her waxing services, and this page pops up with a few services, and let's say we want to click on this eyebrow service right here. If you just scroll down, you will see that we have the image of the service right here. We have some details right here about the actual service. We can even choose to see the employees just in case there were multiple employees that does this service. And then we scroll down and there's some other things on this page as well, like the frequently asked questions. This is what you call a single service page. And you can actually create this inside of WordPress or Elementor, and you can create it to look exactly how you want. It doesn't have to look like this, but you can create it to look exactly how you want. And this section right here, this entire right section right here is the only section that is Amelia shortcode. The rest of this is just a simple page that was customly created inside of Elementor. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So the first thing you need to do inside of the WordPress dashboard is first head over to Pages, All Pages. Then the next thing you need to do is create a new page. So we're going to create a single service page. Let's first go over to Amelia and let's check out our catalog. Inside of our catalog, we see we have our 6 services right here. Let's just say we want to create one for this exfoliating facial services. So again, let's go back to Pages, All Pages, and we're going to add a new page and we're going to call it the exfoliating facials page. So let's go ahead and put in a title. There we go. Let's go ahead and publish this page. And once it's done and it's saved or published, we're going to go ahead and edit it with Elementor. Now, of course, you can do this in any page builder that you're using. However, we're going to be using this one for this tutorial. Right now, I don't have a header and a footer for my website, my demo site. So I'm going to go to the page settings. I'm just going to change this to Elementor Canvas. You do not have to worry about doing this. Of course, your website, you will have a header and a footer, but for my demo, I'm not going to do that. So for now, we just have this blank canvas. Now, to mimic what I did for my client, let's actually just do that same thing just so you guys can get the feel. So I just have a 2-column section here because the right side, I just want to drop in an image. So I'm going to go back over here, drop in an image. Then right here on this right side, I'm going to drop in a shortcode. For this image, I'm going to choose the same exact image. That way people can see the exact image for this. You can style this up however you want. You can round the corners off, do all types of fancy stuff. I'm going to leave this right here. And now we're going to move over to this right side column. Now here is where the magic happens because you already know what it is. We're going to be putting in a Amelia shortcode. The link is in the description box. For one, to get Amelia Pro, get you a Pro license because I highly recommend getting the Pro license for Amelia. And also, guys, in the description box will also be this page here that gives you all of the different types of Amelia shortcodes that you can use on your website in the designing phase. This will just grant you to be able to show up certain things or showcase certain things on the actual live website that are associated with your different services, categories, the location, the customers, the packages, etc. If you've been following along with the entire series for Amelia, you know that shortcodes are a big thing with this plugin. So we're going to be using this one right here, which says Amelia catalog booking service equals. So this one will only show the service ID, still similar to only just showing one type of service up here. But instead of the booking form, we're going to do the catalog because it's going to show more details. Let's go ahead and grab this one right here. Let's go ahead and copy to Elementor. And right here on this right side, we're going to put in a shortcode. So let's just type in the widgets. We're going to type in shortcode drop in that shortcode, and we're going to paste that shortcode right here. And what we need to do now is get the right ID, because right now you see that the service ID is set to 1. But we need to make sure that that service for the exfoliating facials is number ID 1. Let's go back to Amelia. And as we see, the ID number for this one is actually going to be 2. So we actually need to change that. So let's go back. Again, we want to change the ID to number 2 because that is the actual exfoliating facial service. So let's go ahead and click on publish. Now you will see that the actual details that we see now match exactly to this exfoliating facial. These are all of the details that are back here on the Amelia end here that we set inside of the Amelia services. So if you go to their catalog, you go to your services and you see your list of services, this is the details that you see right here. Now we see it actually showing on a single service page. Now, of course, there's more edits that you have to do. So if you watched my previous video, I showed you guys how to go in and edit the customability or the branding for the Amelia shortcode. So be sure you guys check that out. All of those will be there. However, this is the single page. Now you can just do this same exact thing for all of your services. As you see, we have 6 services here. So we can just go in, we can duplicate this page for all 6 of our services here, and just make sure that we go inside of Elementor for every page and make sure we just come here to the ID and change the ID. So if we're going to do the eyebrow waxing next, we know that this ID will possibly be 1. Yep, right here it says ID 1. So when we go and we duplicate the page for the eyebrow waxing, we swap out the image, the text, and then right here for the shortcode, we're just going to make sure we only just change this number to match the ID for the new service. And that's pretty much it. Then your single service page for your Amelia Bookings will be set. That's pretty much it. Be sure your notifications is on because we have more videos coming with how to really make sure you're using Amelia to the full capacity and overall how to manage it for your WordPress website. That's all I have for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next.